What's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of these two code wallets that I got from Ledger. And let me tell you that this is not the real unboxing because I've done it once for my Portuguese channel. So this is the second time I'm going to open this package. And I just got this package via DHL yesterday. Today is October the 1st, 2025. It's a Wednesday. Well, anyways, let me open this package. So I think this package came from Paris, and it's like this, okay? And here I have the first cold wallet by Ledger. It's called Ledger Flex. This is a new model, okay? Ledger Flex, and it looks like this. Yeah, it looks like this on the sides, and yeah, and like this, okay? And the second one is, it's called Ledger Nano-S Plus. Very beautiful package, like this. And then I also have another package here, and this is I think it's the recovery key. Yeah. It's a Ledger recovery key. So it looks like this. Yeah. I haven't opened yet. You can it's still sealed. And okay, so let me open the first one, the Ledger Nano-S Plus. Okay, so let me change the angle of the camera so that you guys can see it. So it's like this. And okay, I think I have to do something like this to open it. And then inside it looks like this. Cool, right? Very cool box. Okay, and then let me open it and show it to you guys. Wow. Okay. Very beautiful, and comes with this recovery key. Of course, I'm not going to show the contents of this because it has my key in it. And the USB device is really cute. Okay. The Nano-S Plus has two buttons here. And here's how it looks like the back of it. And it's like this. Okay. All right, so let's go to the second one, Ledger Flex. I think this is a premium model because it has like a display. Actually, it looks like a Kindle. If you look at this, it looks like a Kindle, right? Yeah, so it's like this. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, look at this. So cute, right? And it's really thin as well. So, inside I have my recovery sheet, okay? Of course, I'm not going to show you guys the content. And it's written, trust yourself. And it's pretty thin, really thin. Oh, it has a button. Oh, is this a button? Oh, no, the button is here. Okay, so it comes with a button on the sides. And here's the back, okay? Yeah, and you can see the Ledger logo here. Yeah. And that's it. Oh, no, yeah. So, and also this one, but I'm not going to open this one. Maybe I'll open it later. So what I'm going to do now is going to set up, because I have no idea how to set up, do the initial setup. So I'm going to try to do that first, and then I'll come back here and show you guys exactly how to do the initial configuration on your computer, on your tablet. I don't even know if I have to use if I can use on my phone or my computer. I have no idea. I guess I'm going to find it soon. So stay tuned, and I'll come back in a few minutes. So thanks for watching, and bye.